Hi friends, welcome back to my channel youtuberviji. In this video I am going to show you what is a beauty blender and how to use it. It is a sponge which is used to apply foundation evenly on your face. For applying foundation, we should not use our fingers. When we use our fingers to apply foundation, the foundation will not be applied evenly and you can see patchiness in your face. If you apply the foundation using a beauty blender, the foundation will be applied evenly on your face. I will show you how to use this foundation and apply foundation on your face to get an even skin tone. So hi friends, first of all you have to secure your hair to the back side, and first of all you have to apply a primer before applying foundation. So here I am using aloe vera gel. This works as a nice primer. The primer closes the opened pores of your skin and does not let the foundation to go inside the pores. Secondly, I am using moisturizer. This is very important so that your skin becomes soft and moisturized and the foundation is blended evenly and easily on your face. So always apply a moisturizer before applying your foundation. Now I am taking a beauty blender. Here is a bowl of water and I am putting the beauty blender inside and soaking it. After that you have to squeeze out the excess water from it and now you can use it. Here I am taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I like this foundation. Take some foundation and apply it as little dots all over your face evenly. You have to be a little bit fast here, otherwise the foundation may dry up. You have to blend this foundation with the help of a beauty blender. You have to apply it in a dab motion. You have to dab it all over your face. See here how nicely it is being blended on my skin and giving a even skin tone. You have to dab it. I think you can clearly see the difference. You have to apply it in a dabbing motion. You have to dab it all over your face and neck. I am using the tip of the beauty blender to apply the foundation around my eyes. I am taking some more foundation and applying it around my eyes with the tip of the beauty blender. You should always apply the foundation on your ears and neck as well so that the skin tone is even. So you can see the difference, how nicely it has blended because of the beauty blender. So here I am back. I have applied some compact powder to set the foundation. So I hope this video was useful to you about how to apply a foundation. Foundation is not used to look fairer. It is in fact used to give an even skin tone to your face. The foundation should be of your skin color. It should match your skin color and it is applied to give an even skin tone, not to look fair than you are. It will look very odd when you go outside if you apply a foundation to show yourself fairer than what you are. So don't do like that. You have to give an even skin tone to you. So I hope this video was useful to you. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, because I am going to come up with many more useful and informative videos on my channel. So stay tuned on my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.